workshop is for students and adults who really are interested in getting into business for themselves. This will teach you the ins and outs of starting and managing and growing a business. It's of high interest to me because I am an entrepreneur. This is a fantastic program. It's the best program I've seen in the whole valley.
It's always great to meet successful people. It's always great to get ideas to further your own business and just to get the network, and always good to be on Marietta campus.
The most important thing is what people took away from it. I got a lot out of it because of the wide selection of classes that you could take here. There's something here for everyone who's even interested in starting a business. You could learn how to start, how to manage, how to grow, how to anticipate problems, how to solve them.
You can build year to year upon the attendees' knowledge. And this adds not only to the participation, but also to the degree of ecosystem building.
I think that it's an opportunity to network with other business professionals, as well as learn more about things that impact my job, such as email marketing, such as the AI. It's just going to be a great wealth of information for small business people like me.
You know, when you're an entrepreneur, you're kind of sometimes on your own, and so it's great to get your batteries recharged and get around other people doing the same thing professionally. Anytime you can get around people who've already succeeded and willing to share ideas with you on how to become successful, that's hard to find, and when you find it, you have to latch on to it.
It's a very good way to meet people, talk, and see how it is outside of college, what the business world is like.
I would strongly recommend this event to anybody who has any interest not only in starting a business or in being in a startup business, but also in thinking entrepreneurially within the concept of business as a whole.
If you are thinking about starting your own business, or even if you're running your own business, why would you not come to something like this? It's full of professionals that want to see you grow and are here to provide all the resources to you on how you can do that.
I would recommend this to anybody to come.